Looking at the very best ways to raise our kids to be kind is one of the unique gifts that we can give them as parents. What kids practice on a daily basis is what they get good at, just like learning any new skills. That's why in today's video, I'll be sharing 3 tips on raising kind kids. Hi friends, welcome back to Miato V. On this channel, I share a bit of family series, lifestyles and vlog. If you are new here, thank you for joining. To my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for always coming back to my videos. Help kids relate their behaviors to what it says about them. Make a verbal connection as to how their behaviors is interpreted by others around them. At the same time, you want to consider asking them if this is how they want to be seen by others. This will help them make conscious choices about who they are and how to behave. It could also be a powerful tool to be thoughtful about who they want to be and to make better decisions to be kind. Parents can help their kids become self-aware and realize how their behaviors relate to their feelings. This could be an important life skill to teach. For instance, if a child talks to his or her friend in a rude manner, statement like, "I can tell that you are feeling bad," to talk to your friend like that. Repeating this kind of statement and many other good ones out there before the child is a way to help them connect their behaviors to their feelings. If you like this video, please smash that notification bell for more videos of this kind. Because most kids learn by example, as a parent, you want to practice what you preach. You want to model kind behaviors that will serve as blueprints for your kids to follow. You also want to be mindful how you handle conflicts and negative emotions in the presence of your kids, because I often see that kids that are exposed to negative emotions seem to grow up with that kind of image in them that everything around them is negative. So modeling how to be kind even when upset is a great way to help your child learn that behavior as well. There are several ways out there that parents can help their kids to be kind. In this video, I highlighted just 3. Thank you all for watching. Please comment below on what you think about this video. I love you all and I see you in my next video.